Hey, tech lovers! Ever wondered what gadgets are really worth your attention in 2025? Well, we got you covered. Today, we're diving into top 9 coolest gadgets of 2025 that are worth your attention. Impress your friends or just have some fun. Trust me, you won't want to miss these. You can buy these gadgets from the link that are description below. Let's jump right in. 9. 7-in-1 USB-C Hub. A 7-in-1 USB-C hub is a versatile and compact device designed to expand the connectivity options of laptops, tablets, or smartphones that feature a USB-C port. With 7 different ports, this hub provides users with a wide range of functionality in a single accessory. Common features include HDMI output for connecting to external monitors or TVs, USB ports for connecting legacy devices like flash drives or printers, SD and microSD card readers for quick file transfers, and a 3.5mm audio jack for headphones or speakers. Many 7-in-1 hubs also offer Ethernet ports for a stable wired internet connection and USB-C pass-through charging to power the device while using the hub. Perfect for professionals, students, or anyone who needs to connect multiple devices on the go. This USB-C hub ensures that your slim portable devices can still access all the essential peripherals and connections without the need for multiple adapters. 8. USB-C Microphone. A USB-C microphone is a modern audio capture device that connects to devices via a USB Type-C port, providing high-quality sound recording for various applications such as podcasting, streaming, gaming, and video conferencing. Unlike traditional microphones that rely on analog connections or older USB ports, USB-C microphones offer faster data transfer rates, ensuring minimal latency and superior sound quality. These mics are compatible with a wide range of devices, including laptops, smartphones, tablets, and even some modern cameras, making them versatile tools for content creators on the go. Many USB-C microphones also come with built-in features such as adjustable gain controls, noise cancellation, and cardioid pickup patterns to enhance audio clarity. With plug-and-play functionality, they don't require additional drivers or complex setups, making them user-friendly for both beginners and professionals. Compact, efficient, and easy to use, a USB-C microphone is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their audio equipment. 7. Vyazin Selfie Stand APV10. The Vyazin Selfie Stand APV10 is a versatile and compact tool designed to enhance your photography and video experience. Featuring a sleek, adjustable design, it allows for hands-free operation, making it perfect for capturing selfies, vlogs, or even streaming. The stand's telescopic arm can extend to various lengths, offering flexibility for different shooting angles and heights, while its sturdy construction ensures stability and reliability. Equipped with a built-in Bluetooth remote control, the Vyazin APV10 makes it easy to capture the perfect shot without needing to touch your phone, providing added convenience. Whether you're using it for casual selfies or professional content creation, the stand is compatible with most smartphones and provides an optimal level of support. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for travel, giving you the freedom to take great photos or videos anywhere. The Vyazin Selfie Stand APV10 combines practicality and functionality for any content creator. 6. Musin Bluetooth Speaker. The Musin Bluetooth speaker combines stylish design with powerful sound, making it a popular choice for music lovers and outdoor enthusiasts. Known for its retro-inspired look, it often features unique, vintage details that set it apart from typical modern speakers. Despite its small size, the Musin speaker delivers clear, dynamic audio, with some models even packing bass boosters for richer sound. It pairs easily with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices, providing wireless freedom for on-the-go listening. With its compact, portable design and rugged construction, many Musin speakers are built to withstand outdoor conditions, making them ideal for picnics, beach trips, or camping. Depending on the model, it may include additional features like waterproofing, long battery life, and built-in microphones for hands-free calls. 5. Anchorwork S600. The Anchorwork S600 is a cutting-edge, all-in-one video bar designed to elevate video conferencing experiences. With its 4K camera, the S600 offers crisp, high-definition video quality that ensures clear, sharp images, making remote meetings feel more like in-person interactions. It comes equipped with a wide-angle lens perfect for capturing a larger group or a more inclusive view of your workspace. The S600 also features an impressive 4 microphones that actively cancel noise, delivering clear, natural audio even in noisy environments. Integrated with intelligent features like auto-framing and a smart light adjustment system, the device ensures optimal visual quality in different lighting conditions. Its sleek, modern design fits seamlessly into any professional setting, and setup is simple, connecting via USB. Ideal for business professionals, educators, or remote teams, the Anchorwork S600 enhances communication and collaboration with ease, offering both style and high performance. 4. Dual-screen rugged smartphone. A dual-screen rugged smartphone is a high-performance mobile device built for extreme durability and enhanced multitasking. Combining the toughness of a rugged phone with the productivity benefits of two screens, this device is ideal for users who work in demanding environments like construction sites, outdoor adventures, or harsh industrial settings. The dual-screen feature allows users to run multiple apps simultaneously, making it perfect for those who need to stay connected and manage tasks on the go without switching between apps. Whether it's viewing maps while navigating or monitoring emails while working, the additional screen boosts efficiency. These smartphones are typically water-resistant, shockproof, and dustproof. 3. Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit. The Hoto 35-in-1 Rotary Toolkit is a versatile and compact toolkit designed for DIY enthusiasts, hobbyists, and professionals who need a reliable, all-in-one solution for precision tasks. The kit includes 35 different attachments, allowing users to cut, grind, polish, sand, and drill with ease. The rotary tool itself is lightweight, ergonomic, and powerful, providing smooth and consistent performance across a variety of projects, from home repairs to crafts and small-scale constructions. Whether you're working with wood, metal, plastic, or other materials, the wide range of accessories, such as diamond bits, sanding discs, and cutting wheels, ensures you have the right tool for the job. 2. Simo Solis Lite 4G LTE. The Simo Solis Lite 4G LTE is a portable hotspot device designed to provide reliable and fast internet connectivity wherever you go. Compact and lightweight, this device offers 4G LTE speeds, allowing users to stay connected while traveling, working remotely, or in areas with limited access to traditional broadband. With a simple setup, it supports multiple devices simultaneously, making it perfect for individuals, families, or small teams on the move. The Solis Lite's user-friendly interface allows for easy monitoring of data usage, signal strength, and battery life, ensuring a smooth internet experience. Its rechargeable battery ensures hours of continuous use, making it ideal for outdoor activities, business trips, or as a backup internet source. Whether you're in a rural area, on a business trip, or just need portable Wi-Fi, the Simo Solis Lite 4G LTE provides a convenient, reliable solution for staying connected on the go. 1. Emergency Bivy in OD Green. An emergency bivy in OD Green, olive drab green, is a compact and essential survival tool designed to protect individuals in emergency outdoor situations. Made from lightweight, durable, and heat-reflective materials, this bivy provides an effective way to retain body heat and shield against the elements, especially in cold or wet conditions. The OD Green color ensures discreetness and blends seamlessly with natural environments, making it an excellent choice for those in tactical, military, or wilderness survival settings. Typically designed to be waterproof and windproof, an emergency bivy offers reliable shelter in unforeseen circumstances like getting stranded or caught in a storm. When packed, it's small and easy to carry in a backpack. So there you have it, the top 9 coolest gadgets of 2025 that are worth your attention. Which one are you most excited to try out? Drop a comment below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more gadget reviews and tech updates. Catch you in the next one.